All right, so to install your crown molding stop on your vest fence, first you want to identify the crown molding stop. It's a piece that looks like this. So that's step one. Step two is you're going to go ahead and put it in the fence. You want this shorter of the two pieces to go in under the fence. This lip will hook back in the back part of the fence there. So you just push it in there till that lip hits the back and then pull up just like that. So that's step two. Step three, you want to tighten this knob on the bottom. That's going to pull this wedge down and in, and that's going to lock it onto the fence. So once you have that tightened, see, it's fully locked to the fence. Then step four is, and when you go to do that, you want to make sure that you have this piece slid all the way back and this piece slid up out of the way so that this wedge has space to move. Once you have it locked into the fence, then you can loosen these knobs. You can go ahead and slide these pieces forward, and depending on which crown molding you're installing and what angle you want to put it at, you can go ahead and just put your crown molding in how you want to do it. Slide this forward until you get the right angle that way. Lock that down, and then you can loosen this and let this piece drop on the top. And so you can set it up so you get exactly the angle you want. Once you're done cutting, if you want to remove this from the fence, all you're going to have to do is pull these pieces back out of the way, just like that. Make sure you pull this one all the way back so that you expose that wedge properly. And then to take it out of the fence, you just loosen this knob on the bottom, a couple turns, and then if you push up on it, that'll loosen the wedge, and then you can pull it right out of your fence. So that's how to use your crown molding stop. Enjoy.